All right, hey, welcome back to the JK Moto Entertainment channel. Welcome to not Stable B or anything else literally at all. But hey, we have a Yamaha behind us. We brought it out here to get some good B-roll. So we're gonna go ahead and show that to you here in a couple seconds. Right before we do, if you haven't watched any of the other videos, you need to go check them out. There'll be a link for the playlist right up above me. So go check out that playlist, check out all the other parts and pieces of this wonderful Yamaha R6 rebuild. But we're here with our 2008 Yamaha R6 today. She is fully complete, so we're gonna show her to you. And right before that, we also need you to please subscribe to the channel, throw a like on the video, and if you have any comments about the video, leave them down below. Let's show you a bike. So hopefully you enjoyed that B-roll. It's a little cold out here, so if I have my hands in my pockets, that's why, because it's kind of cold. I know this is the South and it shouldn't get cold, but it's winter and it's a little cold. But anyway, this is our 2008 Yamaha R6 in the beautiful black and gold trim that I didn't pick, but actually I don't mind it too much. If you remember all the way back from part one, this thing was lowered, it was stretched, it was lowered up front, and beyond that it was having cooling issues and it was having some battery charging issues. The owner said, they dropped it off and said, hey, this thing doesn't want to stay running and the battery keeps dying on me. Put a brand new battery in it, never fixed it, and then it also is overheating. So we put a new radiator on there. That was the issue with that. We put a new regulator rectifier inside to help with the battery issues, did some troubleshooting, found out it wasn't the stator, it was in fact a regulator rectifier. And then we took our spring arm extensions out, got some new chain adjusters, put those on, shortened the chain up, raised the back up, raised the front back up to stock height, and now she's beautiful back in stock trim the way she belongs. Because the other thing he asked us to do was make it seem to be or appear to be or ride the way that I would enjoy riding it, because that's what he wanted to do, is ride it like a normal sport bike, not the stretch lowered thing that it was. So that's what we have now. That's our finished product, and really that's about it. Like I said, please go check out all the other parts of the rebuild of this bike. It's been a ton of fun. Really all she needs now is maybe some fresh tires, so she's got a little bit more leanability in her, and then she should be ready to hit the track. I don't know if the owner's going to do that with her, but she is a track monster. That's what these R6 is known for. One of the best, so I'm told anyway, one of the best bike setups you can have. So anyway, appreciate you guys watching, appreciate you guys being a part of the channel, and hopefully you enjoyed the R6 rebuild. That's about all I had to say about it. She's fresh, she's clean, the owner's gonna come get her today, and everything's working great. So we'll see you guys in the next video.